How to change privacy and safety on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can change the privacy and safety settings on your Twitter app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Twiter app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Twitter, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Twiter app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can basically see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. In order to review and change our privacy and safety settings, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, here you have to scroll down to the bottom, select the option called Settings and Support. Once you tap on Settings and Support, go to the option that says Settings and Privacy. As you tap on Settings and Privacy, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. So just go to the one that says Privacy and Safety. Once you go to Privacy and Safety, this is where you can review all your settings. If you want to change the audience and tagging, you can tap on it to protect your tweets and make your account private. You can select your tweets over here, and you can mark the media you tweet as sensitive content. And you can go to Content You See and decide what you really want to see on Twitter. You can go to Mute and Block your direct messages, and you can choose people who can send you messages. You can manage your Spaces also activity as well. You can choose your discoverability and contacts, and you can go to data and personalization, and similarly more about your privacy on Twitter. This is simply how you can change your privacy and safety on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.